So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to get and use the template that I was talking about and to use that in one of your courses. So our first step is to create and locate the course that you want to import the template into. So it's important to know where you're going to get the content in the Commons and then bring it back into your course. Okay, so I'm going to create a new course here that I'll just call Tokay. I actually student taught at Tokay High School, so Tokay High School, and I'm going to create that right here, create a new course, and I'm going to create that. And after, I'm going to go to step 2, which is to go over to the Commons, which is just like a big database of all kinds of courses and modules and videos, etc., that you can import into your Canvas courses. So I'm in the Commons here. I'm going to search for goals and observations, and you will find that template. And you'll be, this is what it looks like. Everything that's in here is all ready to go, and you can just import it right into your course. Click on import. Make sure you put it into the right course and just that course. And once you've done that, it takes a few minutes. It'll tell you to wait a minute. It's not very big, so it doesn't take, I think, more than 30 or 40 seconds to actually import. So I go back to that course, and I'm going to refresh it. First time it didn't work yet, and I think the second time is going to go ahead and show me that work. I'm going to do one more because there's 2 modules that should be populating. And once that's in there, there we go. Once that's in there, you're ready to use it. With one caveat, you do need to relink all of the Google Forms, and the only thing you need to do here is to click on those assignments, let the Google Cloud assignment populate, and then go on to the next one. I think there are 5 that you need to do, so it's the goals, the 2 pre and post observations for each of the observations. So pre 1 and post 1, and then pre 2 and post 2. So once that's done, the course is ready to rock and roll. You can make changes, for example, now assigning the observations, for example, just to groups of people like I showed you in the earlier video. And that's it, you guys. That's all you need to do if you want to use the form or use this template. Make any changes that you want. If you don't like the forms, or if you have another form you want to use, you just want to relink those, just delete that one and relink your own form to it. If you want to make changes to the directions, not a problem. Just go into edit assignments and make any changes that you want to make. You're not going to impact the template at all. I hope this has been useful. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or chat me on Google Chat. I'm usually there most days, so feel free to contact me there at DionPBH. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.